Okay, welcome back once again. So we want to learn how to different ways in which we can style our HTML. We have three ways. The first one is called inline styling. Inline styling, or you say inline CSS. Full meaning of CSS is cascading style sheets. So CSS means cascading style sheet. So it's a style sheet. Okay, so we have inline styling, we have internal styling, and we have external styling. But in this era that we are now, the advanced one to be used, the professional one to be used is the external styling. So, but as someone who wants to take this up as career, you need to actually know all of this, so nothing will be hidden for you, and nothing will be hidden from you, nothing will be strange to you when they are mentioning it. So inline styling is, for instance, let's say this is h1 and we want to style our h1. So you come inside this opening tag, put space and write style. Come to this equal to and quotation. So don't forget, we call this kind of thing attributes. I've told you before. So we have done something like that before, like this image. So we have source. I get it now. So we have source, web plaza. So all these are attributes, different attributes. This source is an attribute on its own. This one too, the alternative is an attribute, and the width is an attribute. So this LRC, which is source, is called attribute name. That is the name of the attribute, the source. But what is the value of that attribute is this web class. Look at this width. It's attribute name. That's the name. Are you getting it now? Like, what attribute, what collocation do you want to give this? Is width. Okay, I want to assign width. But what is the value of that width? Is 80%. So attribute name is width. Attribute what attribute value is 80%. So, and then color, in case we want to add color, something like that. Okay, so let me teach us how to add color. So, and the same way too, all these adding color is part of style. Font, when we want to talk about font size of font style, is part of style too. There is something we call padding, is part of style. So we are still going to learn all of that inshallah when we get to CSS perfectly. So now inside the opening tag of h1, you are putting the style. Are you getting it now? So now what is your style? Okay, what is the style value now? So we need color, and then to be, so hashtag ff. There are different way we can choose our color. There is one of what is it called? There is one we called RGB. That R stand for red, green stand for G stand for green, and B stand for blue, the primary colors. So there are ways in which we choose code. We choose one from red, another one from blue, another one from green. So something like that. Okay, but this one is called X. So this one is X star value. Okay, so let's save it and view. Okay, can you see this is our H1 now? This is the heading. So this is what we call inline styling. Inline styling. You put it inside it. So you put it inside it. So now after this one, there is something we call internal styling. So internal styling is the one that will fall inside head. It is the one that will fall inside head. Like this one now. Remove this. Okay. So inside head, inside head we have title, so we are just going to declare style. Alright, so you open, so this one will be an element now, style element. You close it. You come down, so then you choose which of this thing you want to style. Let's say I want to style paragraph now, or let's say I want to style the whole body. So I will choose body, then space, and pick this type of bracket. So this is one that is called internal styling. Don't forget, the first one is inline styling, this one now is internal styling. So body, then let's say background color. So background color, then we put colon. So what do we want to what do we want as our background color? Let's say this one 0 7. Okay, then you put semicolon, you close the bracket. So you just start your body now, background color. So let's see the effect it's going to have. Can you see it? So the background of our body has changed. It has changed. So this is what we call internal styling. This first, the one we first talked about here that will be inside the H1 is called inline styling. So you can style H1 this way, or you come here and style it under head, in between head tags. Are you getting it now? So in between head tags, after you have created the style element, so you can style H1 here too, like H1, the same thing the way you did this one. The way you did this one. Oh, why is it difficult? Okay, let me just copy it like that. So let's see, I paste it there. Okay, background color for each one. So let me choose black. So that will be 0000. Okay, so let's save it and view it. Can you see it now? So H1 alone now has a background of black. So it's as simple as that. This one that I styled here too, the color of H1 to be pink, that pink, I can style it here instead of coming here. So you can choose any of this. If you do it this way, this one is called inline styling. If you do it inside head element, it is called internal styling. This body that I have inside the styling body, internal inside the head element too, it can be done inside the body here. Are you getting it now? So just come to this body opening tag, come here and choose style, color, and all of that. So it's just as simple as that. Alright? Yeah. So now, which one is external styling? For external styling, we are just going to put the link of our CSS. We will have opened a CSS file, and that is what we'll be using, but we put the link to that CSS file inside our head element too, but it won't be under style now, it will be under link. So we will just open this and link LINK, then we close. Okay, let me choose this one. So you just open this link here. So this relationship, it's talking about style sheet. That's what you need. Then this reference, you put the address of that your CSS there. Let's say it is the style.css. Okay, so now let's say I've already opened this file and I've been doing something there. Now whatever effect I have there will, whatever thing I wrote there will have effect here now. So this is what is called external styling. We use link for external styling, and that one too will fall inside head element. Internal styling too will fall inside head element, but inline styling will fall inside the opening tag of that particular element. Alright, see you in the next class. Bye.